Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for Tuesday, November 3rd, 2009. Quick reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky, so please don't trade any real money until you have established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Trading conditions are always changing, so make sure to watch tomorrow's video to stay updated. Well, a full day of volatility to summarize a slow Monday. The Dow Jones was initially higher by 100 points as the dollar faded, but then as the buck rallied, the Dow quickly turned negative, finally closing up 76 points with the buck mixed against the majors, but nearly unchanged. Yesterday was consolidation at best, as bears and bulls tested the waters in both directions. Expect more consolidation, but no major breaks until more economic data paints the bigger picture and risk appetite to drive the short-term trend. We expect the U.S. Federal Reserve on Wednesday and non-farm payrolls on Friday to set the next major move. It will most likely be a combination of factors, with the latter confirming or reversing the initial reaction to the Fed's policy outlook. Currently looking at the euro dollar on the daily, trading at 147.66. First level of support is going to be found at 146.80. Below that, we're going to look at 146.50. $145.80 follows. And below 145.80 will be 145. If we start breaking these levels, we're going to target 143.80 as our last support level. First level of resistance is going to be at 147.80. We're very close to that level. It's going to be a non-factor most likely. We're most likely going to go above that. Keep an eye on 148. If there's downside pressure against the euro, keep an eye on 148 to be the key resistance level as these moving averages are pointing down and are now moving closer and closer to that 148 level. Above 148, we'll target 148.50, 148.80, and 149.20. Pound dollar currently trading at 163.90. First level of support is going to be at 162.50, followed by 161.20. 160 follows. And finally, our fourth level of support is going to be at 158. First level of resistance is going to be at 164.50, followed by 166. 167.20 is going to be a key area. A break above that is going to target 170. Dollar Swissy on the daily, currently at 102.19. First level of support is going to be found at the 102 figure. Most likely that's going to be a non-factor, as we've seen over the last couple of days, breaking below this every day in the down direction and in the up direction. What we're interested in here is this trend line, and if the dollar loses ground, we expect to bounce off of 101.30. That's going to be our second level of support and the most important level for the day. Below that will be 101.02. That's our third level. Excuse me, 101 even. Below that is 100.30 and parity. If the dollar continues to gain ground, we're going to keep an eye on 102.80 as our first level of resistance. This is going to be a very important level. A break above that will target 103.20, and a break above that will be 103.50, and finally our fourth level is 104.50. Finally, the dollar yen currently trading at 90.35. A bit of a retracement over the last couple of days following this nice leg down. Our first level of support is now going to be at not 90.20. We're very close there. Most likely the first level of resistance is going to be yesterday's low at 89.50, followed by 88.80. Below 88.80 we'll run into 88.20, 87.20, and as I mentioned yesterday, the 85 level. But we're quite a ways from there, so let's try to break the 89.50 level first to target 88.80. First level of resistance is going to be at 91.50, followed by 92. A break above 92.30 will target very important level of 92.50. 92.50 is going to be very important as this was our last pivot high. A break above that could definitely target 93.20, but we're quite a ways from there, so we're going to leave 93.20 out of the picture for now. If you'd like a more detailed analysis with potential trade opportunities, please join us in the members section. This has been Alex Kaczmarek for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex video for November 3rd, 2009. Until tomorrow, good luck trading.